start with you. Okay. So how are you?
I'm good, sir.
Okay. So first of all, introduce yourself.
Hello, sir. My full name is Omkar Govindarao Ranvirkar.
Okay.
I come from Nanded district of Maharashtra. I completed my 10th and 12th education at Nanded and my engineering, that is BTech in Mechanical Engineering from College of Engineering, Pune,
Okay. That's
in 2018. From then on, I am preparing for competitive exams like UPSC, Maharashtra PSC.
that's good. So why you want to join IB as you are an engineer, and why didn't you go to your field?
Uh, uh, Sir, the government sector gives me an opportunity to give back to the society in governance and in public administration. Uh, from early age onwards, I was fascinated by the work the government servants put, and they benefit the people either directly or indirectly. Similarly, I wanted to have an impact on public administration by any means. It can be from staff selection commission, it can be from Maharashtra state PSC, it can be from UPSC itself. So that's why and that's why I appeared for these exams, and that is why I am very confident that in some way or another I'll be able to give back to the society.
ओके दैट्स नाइस। इसके साथ ही साथ फ्रेंड्स आप इस बुक को ले सकते हो जो IB-ACIO इंटरव्यू के लिए स्पेसिफिकली डिज़ाइन की गई है। इसमें आपको 100+ क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे जिनको आप प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो, जो आप लोगों के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसके साथ ही साथ करेंट और रीसेंट टॉपिक जो सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स हैं और जो करेंट टॉपिक्स हैं उनको भी इसमें कंप्लीटली आपको कवर किया गया है, तो उसको भी आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो। ऑलमोस्ट आपको 50 से ज़्यादा टॉपिक जो है करेंट एंड सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे, और 100+ यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन जो क्वेश्चन आंसर के फॉर्म में होंगे वो आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे, और लोएस्ट कॉस्ट में आपको ये बुक मिल जाएगी। एडिशनल 30% डिस्काउंट भी आपको मिल जाएगा। तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दोस्तों लिंक दिया गया है, वहाँ से जाके आप इसको बाय कर सकते हो। सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इंडिया एज अ सेक्युलर कंट्री?
By India as a secular country, I mean that every religion, including the majority and the minorities, they get treat, treated equally by the state
Okay.
and by the composite culture of our country. That is what I mean by India as a secular state.
Okay. What do you think? What was the basic intention behind enforcing the Special Power Act, ASPA Act, right?
So the basic intention behind enforcing the ASPA Act was to take the armed forces and inculcate inculcate civil administration in them, the policies of civil administration, because the regular forces which were like law and order is a state subject. So state police, if since state police was being ineffective in the concerned area, the intention was that armed forces would inculcate certain discipline and will maintain the law and order alongside they will move forward with the civil administration.
Okay. Are you aware of who can enforce this act? Who has the
Yes,
power to enforce it in a particular state?
the central government.
Okay.
The
Is
central
there any?
government has the power. State government does not have the power with the Armed Force Special Powers Act. The central government has the powers, and they enforce it through.
Other
For
than
example,
central government?
other than central government, no, sir. I
Okay.
don't think.
No problem. Central government can enforce aspect along with the governor of a state, right?
Okay.
Governor of a state can also enforce that act, right? So this you need to remember. Okay. What do you think? What are your key strengths that will make you an asset in IB?
My key strengths are observation and my work ethic. Uh, with them in my bag, I think I can work for long hours. And since I'll be in IB, I will have a strong purpose. Along with my genuine purpose of giving back to the society, I will have a strong purpose. They will drive me to work, and hence I think I'll be asset to the IB.
Okay,
Uh,
that's
the
good. Can you elaborate some of your negative strength with respect to that?
weaknesses, sir, there can be some physical weaknesses, as I am I am fighting anxiety, depression, and I am also fighting some lower back pain. Physically, there can be some limitations to my postings, but other than that, I don't think that any inhibitions will be there.
Okay. So, what do you think if you are posted in an area which is there are a lot of Naxalite activities there?
In that case, sir, generating public will to cooperate with the police forces, that is the main area of concern. Today, there are a lot of forces like C60 forces, which take help of the local people, and they are included in the forces, and then they fight the anti-state elements. Similarly, generating a public awareness by programs such as vigilance program, we can say that if you see some suspicious activity like that, creating helplines for that, creating getting anonymous feedback from people. I will move. I will. I would definitely like to inculcate that.
Okay. Suppose you are working as an IB officer, and you get to know about a person who is a terrorist, right? Who is a terrorist, and he is hiding somewhere in your locality, but you don't know exact his address. You only know his name, his or her name, right? Then how will you get the information about him or her secretly? You only know his
Uh,
name, you don't have any address, right? So you have to gather the information secretively.
uh, as far as my limited knowledge goes, I would definitely like to say that there must be some traditional criminal informants in that area. So, along with the informants, I don't think I will be able to pinpoint the concerned location, but I will definitely have a solid estimate about that location. And then uh, by vigilance, say around 3 days, who comes out and who goes in that area, because the concerned person will need resources to stay alive. So by of say 2 3 days or 1 week in recovery of the person.